world's no place of pilgrimage. They set their weapons sight in your face. You want to have a legal claim, but you are a lot of afraid. Trust me, that's to make safe.
You don't want to be
You
honest.
want to make claim.